Hi, it's Will of willsgarden.com. Just want to go over our side mount plug and play system. This is similar to the top version. It's a 1 horsepower, always primed pump, which means that it's always under pressure. The pressure bladder right here actually keeps the pressure, so even when the pump's off, see how it's sitting at 40 psi? You can go ahead and open, turn on the water. You'll notice that the pump has not kicked on yet. We're just getting a nice water flow. And we're holding a nice pressure. And then finally the pump does kick on, keeping that same exact water flow. And it's just going to cycle on and off, maintaining a nice amount of pressure at all times. Pump kicks back on, maintaining that water pressure. It's just going to kick back off. This is the side mount plug and play. All you do is put your downspout in the hole here, and you get great water pressure. Notice that I barely even have the faucet on. We can rip and roar if we want. The pump's rated at 950 gallons per hour.